Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Friday, the 21st of August. This is my weekly recap, goes out to members and everybody on my mailing list and on YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about me and finding about my live day trading room, as well as my swing alerts and everything else, please come visit me at smartoptiontrading.com. So let's talk about this week as the SPY just went to high of the day here. This was a very, very difficult week for a lot of us, not because the action, but because Thinkorswim had massive issues. They were down all day on Monday, half the day on Tuesday, and had problems every day. Today was the best. They were pretty much a lot better today. That really made trading tough on Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday was hard to trust things. So I didn't do a ton of trading this week because of that. So let's talk about the markets themselves. All week long, the market has flirted here with this Fibonacci retracement, the 100% retracement on the SPY at the lows. And we broke above it briefly on Wednesday. Then we got the Fed minutes reversed, follow through, and then back up here. All in all, we continue to hold the 8-day on low volume. It's the dog days of summer. We have 1 week left in August. Next week, we have the Fed has their Jackson Hole Symposium virtual. We have the Republican National Convention. We have data next week. But other than that, not much going on. Expect a pretty much a slow week in the markets. Good move there. The Qs, what they do, the Qs strength, all-time highs all week, another all-time high here today. Notice they've almost hit the 161.8% retracement of this move down. So incredible strength continues here in the Qs, and that's the one that they continue to play. And that's where I continue to look to play most of my names. When we talk about the week that was, we open it up here, starting off at Monday. Monday was a tough day. Why was Monday tough? Because nothing was working right. What did I do on Monday? I traded a little MBOT, and then I got caught when I didn't realize I bought shares in JD. Took a big loss on it, only to watch it go higher into the end of the day, gap up, and just keep going. I never got back in. That's on me. Finished the week green every other day, just didn't have much from there. Walmart, I traded this multiple times pre-market, had a nice move before the open, then it sold off. Today they've been buying the next week's 135 calls like mad. We'll see how many of them stick off the lows here. Target gave a fabulous move off of earnings. Big move up here, nice little flag developing on that one. Facebook gave multiple trades, especially yesterday. Nice strong move, holding the top third of this candle, continues to look good. Microsoft as well yesterday finally broke range. And these are names we all talk about here pre-market. Yesterday we said, Microsoft over 212 was a trade, Facebook over 267 was a trade. Both of them finally did it. Square put a new all-time high in this week. All right, put one in this morning, and then pulled tough. So does Zoom. Zoom put all-time highs in this morning and yanked. A little bit of tough action here in this market. Visa had some great flow all week. Nice move here. You have a gap that is trying to fill that goes up to the 207. Call buying and next week's 205 and 210 calls has been consistent. DraftKings woke back up but can't quite push yet. Try to break out of this range, says it has to clear 38. When I say clear 38, it doesn't mean touch it and kiss it and play with it. It means it has to get some volume and hold over it. And right back down here it comes. So we're not quite ready to run there yet. And we continue to see sporadic buying in Kraft Heinz, although it's coming back in here, not doing much. Then there's these other two names, right? These two names that are splitting. And, Rick, have a great weekend. Have a good one. All right. This Tesla on fire, new all-time highs today, almost at 2,100 now. This thing continues to fly as it goes into the split on the 31st of 5 for 1. And Apple, new all-time highs. You're just missed 494. Got about an hour and 15 minutes to go. Continue to be the ones to play into the split. Apple seems like it wants 500 before they split on the 31st, 4 for 1. And that's just the type of week it was, guys. And, these type of weeks, what I tell everybody here is you focus on the names in play and you ignore everything else. This morning, 3 names I stood out with on NVIDIA, moved to all-time highs there, Apple, and I said Tesla. These were the 3s to watch. All 3 of these popped up today. Everything else outside of this becomes noise. And that's really what happens is you try to ignore the noise. While AMD is not having a bad day, there's not enough volume there, really nothing going on. Same thing for most of the rest of the names out there. Square obviously couldn't hold up today, reversed. Google, which we had a call spread on that worked and traded on that earlier this week, popped and then couldn't hold. Amazon weak right from the open this morning. So it's just one of those days. Play the names that are in play. This is the type of market it is. It's late summer. The market itself is choppy. A lot of actions, algos all over the place because the volume's low. But the big names, the names that are in play, those are the ones you want to keep getting in and out of over and over again. enough rambling. Everybody have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys with charts tomorrow and on Monday morning.